Hello friends, gracious welcome to AR Wisdom. I think you are all familiar with this puzzle cube, and this puzzle cube is also known as Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube, it is a 3D combination puzzle invented by the Erno Rubik in 1974. He belongs to the country Hungary, and this Rubik's Cube is also called as the Magic Cube. This Rubik's Cube has won the German Game of the Year award in 1980 for the best puzzle. In 2009 January, more than 350 million Rubik's Cubes had been sold worldwide, making the world's topest selling puzzle. Now I am going to show how to solve this Rubik's Cube, and I will explain about it. Now the Rubik's Cube is set, and it has 6 phases: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and each one is covered by 9 stickers with a solid colors with blue, red, green, orange, white and yellow. A standard Rubik's Cube measures about 5.7 centimeters, and this puzzle consists of 26 miniature cubes, and there are 8 corners: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and 12 edges: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This Rubik's Cube can approximately arranged about 43 kilotons weight, and the Rubik's Cube solution was first published by a David Segmaster in the book note of Magic Cube in 1981. The world record time to solve the Rubik's Cube is 3.46 seconds, held by Yeshengdu, who belongs to China, in 24th November 2018. And the robot made by Ben Cards and Jordi DiCarlo solved the Rubik's Cube in 0.38 seconds. The world's most expensive Rubik's Cube is Masterpiece Cube, which was created in 1995 in the 15th anniversary of Cube attaining international popularity by the diamond cutter. The world's most expensive cube, the cost of this cube is about 2.5 million US dollars, and this masterpiece Rubik's Cube is made up of diamonds, red rubies, green emeralds and blue sharpies, etc. And the world's largest Rubik's Cube is created by Tony Fisher, who belongs to United Kingdom, and the width of the Rubik's Cube is about 1.57 meter and height is about 1.57 meters, and it holds the Guinness record also. And the world's most smallest Rubik's Cube is about 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. Approximately it is about 1.2 centimeters. And I hope this information about the Rubik's Cube is very useful to you. If you like my video, please subscribe and click the bell button. See you in the next video. Until then, bye. Stay home, stay safe.